Hello there, it's Haley with the Armageddon Report. We're going to take a look at Bopha slash Pablo first. So, there are basically three different theories as to where this thing is going to go. Cyclone has the data from the JTWC, the Joint Typhoon Warning Center, where their thing is the most out of date at this point, but they've still got it as curving back around and still being tropical storm status, but they do now have it dissipating somewhere out there. However, I'm going to put things in perspective. We're going to look at the satellite loop. Does this look like a storm that's going to necessarily re-strengthen? It already kind of looks like it's falling apart. So, that is the JTWC thing, and like I said, this is the outlook or whatnot for the storm that is the most out of date at this point. The JMA basically has this thing going to the Philippines, turning into a tropical depression and dissipating. They have it hardly getting anywhere. And then Pagasa has it making, oh, that's a lovely image. Let's make this bigger. There we go. And then the Pagasa thing has it potentially making it out to water again, where it could potentially re-strengthen or something, but that's not indicated on the intensity thing. So, JMA basically saying that it's going to die right about here. JTWC, which I'm sure they're going to revise it somewhat. They'll be interesting whenever they get the latest update. And then Pagasa potentially showing it going out to, back out to sea again. So that is Bopha slash Pablo. That's the story with that. Then we also have in the South Indian Ocean, we have Claudia. Tropical Cyclone Claudia, who is the equivalent of what, like a Category 2? Is it a Category 3, maybe? Yes, the equivalent. If you follow the NHC scale, which, you know, they're kind of out of season now. There's no hurricanes going on. Anyway, Claudia is the equivalent right now of a Category 3 hurricane. Oh, and there is an update. There is now a satellite overview. I took out all of the, all of the satellite imagery from over here, since probably nothing is going to happen, so why even have it in the list? So now, that was there before, but it was buried at the bottom. And now there's this thing, which, and all of the satellite overlays don't exactly line up, as you'll notice. Because, you know, the Earth, what is it, is not a perfect sphere, is that what they say? So there's always these slightly different projections or something. That's my excuse, I'm sticking to it. Anyway, there is now a satellite image that you can use. So, there is Claudia on the map. So there you go. Also, if you don't like the red alert thing, like Toner, that's the original thing, but since the server had problems anyway. So yes, that's my tangent on that. You can change to these different, if you like the watercolor, you can make it kind of an artsy tropical cyclone type thing. So that is what's going on. So it'll be interesting to see. Bopha may not even exist tomorrow. Bopha may be post-tropical, completely dissipated or whatnot. Or maybe Bopha will re-strengthen. Who knows? Right. Severe thunderstorm weather-wise. Yes, there is stuff maybe going on, 5%, but here's how big the area is. So, what are the Texarkana type area, or whatever they call it? Texas, Arkansas, Louisiana. Yes, 5% chance of winds, or severe winds, I should say, you know, because that could be, there's 100% chance that there will be wind of some sort somewhere. Right, but that's 58 mile per hour greater winds. 5% chance of hail, which is a much bigger area. That would be 1 inch or larger hail. Tornado-wise, though, less than 2% all areas as of right now. So that is today's outlook area. Tomorrow, there actually is a 15% chance, or at least as of now, for the similar type area. So there's your highest chance, and then a 5% that's fairly large for this time of year. And then day 3 even has something too. Here's your 5% chance for day 3. And then days 4 through 8, predictability too low as opposed to probability too low. So there may be severe weather out in the day 4 through 8 range. Right. But yes, day 2 would be, you know, if you're good with numbers, you know that 15 is greater than 5. So yes, day 2 is the highest chance of some sort of severe weather happening. Right. Yes, oh yes, I did not do the number spiel. Here's the number spiel. What does any of this mean? So you can pick this random point in Arkansas. And that means what you do is you draw a 25-mile radius circle around it. And that means, for instance, in this yellow area, that there's a 15% chance of some sort of severe weather event happening within that 25-mile radius circle. So you could draw 25-mile radius circles all over this 15% thing, and that's what it means. 15% chance in that circle. Righto. SevereWeatherTV.com is the official homepage of the screencast. WikiWix is WICKEDWX.com. Cyclone is CYCLOCANE.com. And that is it for today, and enjoy your day.